Read the questions or on the screen, then come back here. If you read the question is saying you that there are two plate. Okay, on first plate Q1 charge, on second plate Q2 charge. Then we are bringing close to each other. Okay, close to each other, and then obviously parallel plate capacitor will form. So if the parallel plate capacitor will form at that time, what is the potential difference of this capacitor? Clear? Clear? Okay, sir. See, question is simple. If you understood the concept, now question is very simple. Think, and think. Q1 charge is here, Q2 charge is here. If I will ask you what is net charge, so simply Q1 minus Q2. Clear? Clear? Q1 minus Q2 is net charge. Clear? So Q1 minus Q2 is net charge. Clear? I already taught you what is electric field. What is electric field? What is electric field between the plate? Okay, electric field is equal to Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2A epsilon naught. Clear? Clear? Electric field equal to Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2A epsilon naught. Clear? If you don't know, please keep this concept in your brain. Okay, very important. Clear? Okay, sir. What is potential difference? Okay, relation between E and B. What is distance between the capacitor? Suppose D. So B equal to what? E into D. Clear? Clear? No issue. Yes, sir. So what is E, sir? Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2A epsilon naught into D, sir. Clear? Clear? Now just to do one thing, just arrange this relation. Arrange this relation, my child. Okay, sir. No problem, sir. So my child, what is B? B equals to Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2A epsilon naught into D. Can I arrange this? Can I rearrange this like this? Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2 into epsilon naught A by D. Clear? 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 What is epsilon naught A by D? Sir, C, sir. Sir, C, sir. So what is the answer, sir? Q1 minus Q2 divided by 2C, sir. Clear? We'll go with the options C. Clear? Cat. Clear? Understood? So my student, if any question of JEE Mains or Neet examination comes in front of you, if you want to solve the questions, if you want to give exam with good score, good marks, good rank, okay, you have to approach the question by which way, so that in minimum time you can reach to your correct answer, okay, without sticking in the question. Clear? So if you think this session is useful, okay, so useful, thank you.